learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Now, this month we have a common theme, and it's about asking the question, what happened? What's going on? 發生什麼事情？發生什麼代誌啊？
發生乜嘅事情？
發生乜嘅事情 Okay, that means, again, what's going on? When you see someone kind of blue, kind of down, kind of unhappy, you might want to ask this question and show your care and really care. 我们要关心周遭的朋友是不是最近发生什么事情了，比如说哎呀大家都还是会聊啊，是不是要找一个新工作啦，还是说这个工作不如意啦，还是薪水不够高啦，都是非常郁闷的话题，对不对？Alright, let's teach you terms associated with jobs. Okay, maybe you just quit your job. Maybe you got fired. Maybe you're asking for a raise. Maybe you need to prepare a new resume. Alright, let's start with 辞职. Okay, that means I quit.
辞條路。
辭條路，條路就是工作嘛 right? 條路 is actually a job, and 辭
就是辭掉了。
辭條路 that means I quit it.
那海陸腔，辭條路。
要辭它，對，辭條路。Okay, that's a different dialect for quitting. Alright, now sometimes it's because of the salary. 有时候辞职是因为有更好的薪水在等着你啊，对不对？ So how do you say 薪水 salary?
薪水。
薪水，哎，这个好像啊，跟国语薪水哦 ，it's almost identical to Mandarin. 薪水 that's salary. Now, if you're in between jobs, or maybe you're about to find a new job, you need to prepare a new resume. 履历表怎么说？
履历表。
履历表，OK， 履历表就是表怎么讲嘛，对不对？哦 ，that's a form, okay? So it's a resume form. All right, let's make a phrase out of this. 刚刚回到一开始我就说，如果你找到一个新的工作，你要很理直气壮，很有这个往前看的那种态度去说，我辞职了。Right? How do you say the entire phrase? I quit.
我辭條路誒。
我辭條路誒。Okay, that means I quit. I'm moving on. All right, let's review all these terms. 辭職。
辭條路。
辭條路. Okay, that means quit. Your salary, 薪水。
薪水。
薪水. And finally, a resume, 履歷表。
履歷表。
履歷表. And it's all about what's going on, what happened.
發生乜嘅事情？
發生乜嘅事情? And now summer is around. Maybe you're going to get a new job. We hope you do. Thank you for tuning in. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.